Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today. We have a 2016 Audi A6 Premium Plus S-Line Edition, 2.0 turbo, all-wheel drive Quattro. Do a quick walk around video of it. Overall, really clean. Some rock chips and stuff we'll see a little bit throughout. Overall though, interior is really clean, exterior is clean. Drives really good, 102,000 miles. You see this door has a couple of like little rock chips on it. Don't know if it's showing up there. As well as the hood has multiple rock chips. Overall, she drives great. She's fully loaded. Leather, backup camera, Audi side assist, navigation, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, sunroof. I said before, it is an S-Line. Push button start, dual climate control. Definitely pretty loaded up. It has 675 miles. Go ahead and crank her up. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a shout. 228-438-2056. Give us a call or text. You can check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. And if you need any service or repair work on an Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche vehicle, definitely give us a holler. Thank you for checking out our video. And if you know anybody interested, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.